Essential guide, the only exercises you need to build muscle. Are you tired of endless hours at the gym with minimal results? Are you looking for a streamlined approach to building muscle, without all the complexity? Look no further. In this comprehensive guide, we'll unveil the only exercises you need to sculpt your body and achieve the muscle gains you desire. 1. Squats. The king of all exercises, squats target multiple muscle groups simultaneously, including the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and core. Whether you opt for traditional barbell squats, goblet squats, or bodyweight squats, this compound movement is essential for building lower body strength and size. 2. Deadlifts. Another compound movement. Deadlifts primarily work the posterior chain, including the lower back, glutes, hamstrings, and grip strength. Incorporating deadlifts into your routine not only enhances overall strength, but also promotes muscle growth throughout the entire body. 3. Bench press. A staple in any muscle-building regimen. The bench press targets the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Whether you choose to perform the exercise with a barbell, dumbbells, or a machine, focus on proper form and progressively increasing the weight to stimulate muscle growth. 4. Pull-ups, chin-ups. Bodyweight exercises like pull-ups and chin-ups are excellent for developing upper body strength and muscle definition. These exercises primarily target the back, biceps, and shoulders, providing a challenging yet effective workout with minimal equipment required. 5. Overhead press. Also known as the shoulder press, this compound movement targets the deltoids, triceps, and upper chest. Whether performed with a barbell, dumbbells, or a machine, overhead presses help build shoulder strength and size, enhancing overall upper body aesthetics. 6. Rows. Incorporating rows into your routine helps balance out pressing movements by targeting the back muscles, including the lats, rhomboids, and traps. Whether you choose bent-over rows, seated rows, or cable rows, focus on squeezing the shoulder blades together to maximize muscle engagement. 7. Lunges. Lunges are excellent for targeting the lower body, including the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. Whether performed with body weight, dumbbells, or a barbell, lunges improve unilateral strength and stability while enhancing lower body muscle development. 8. Planks. While not a traditional muscle-building exercise, planks are essential for developing core strength and stability. A strong core is crucial for maintaining proper form during compound lifts and reducing the risk of injury. By incorporating these 8 essential exercises into your workout routine, you can maximize muscle growth and achieve your fitness goals more efficiently. Remember to focus on progressive overload, proper form, and adequate rest and recovery to optimize your results. Say goodbye to complexity and hello to simplicity with these powerhouse exercises.